Cash advance apps rarely have a simple complaint ranking because complaint volume depends on how many people use each app, what problems users report, and how companies handle customer issues. By the end, you'll know how to compare cash advance apps by complaint patterns, what problems to look for, and how to choose an app with fewer warning signs. The app with the fewest complaints is not always the best option. A smaller app may have fewer complaints simply because fewer people use it, while a popular app may receive more complaints because it serves a larger customer base. When comparing apps like Dave, Bridget, Moneyline, Instacash, Earnin, and similar services, look at the type of complaints users report instead of only counting the number of complaints. Common areas to check include unexpected fees, account connection problems, payment issues, subscription confusion, and customer support experiences. A complaint about a technical issue is different from a complaint about unclear pricing, or a problem getting money after an approved advance. The reason behind the complaint matters. Before choosing an app, read recent user reviews and look for repeated patterns. One negative review may be an isolated issue, but the same complaint appearing many times can show a larger problem. You should also review the app's terms before signing up. Check how fees work, whether there is a membership cost, and how the repayment process works. Customer support is another important factor. If you have an issue with a transfer or account connection, you need a clear way to get help. Avoid choosing a cash advance app only because it advertises fast access to money. A smooth application process does not guarantee a good customer experience. A better approach is comparing three things: the types of complaints users mention, how transparent the app is about costs, and how easy it is to get support when something goes wrong. Before requesting an advance, spend a few minutes checking recent feedback and reviewing the app's terms. This can help you avoid problems before they happen. The main points are simple. Complaint numbers alone do not tell the full story. Repeated complaint patterns matter more than single reviews, and transparent fees and support are key when comparing cash advance apps. Check the details before choosing an app and subscribe for more financial app comparisons.